Well, big news. Softbank's Arm has filed for an IPO. That happened late yesterday, snubbing the London Stock Exchange for the Nasdaq. Information does continue to trickle in about the chip designing company and its upcoming listing. It will be the biggest IPO in the U.S. since Rivian in November 2021. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Dan Howley to discuss more. And this is a really interesting company, Dan, that has been around for a long time, has switched hands. Nvidia didn't succeed in buying it a couple of years ago, so now it is going to be making its public market debut.
That's right. Yeah, Nvidia tried that $40 billion takeover, got shut down by global regulators. And so, yeah, this is where we are. We're seeing Arm file for the IPO on the Nasdaq. The revenue for the last year was about $2.68 billion for the company. And just to, as you said, it's an interesting company. This isn't like TSMC or Intel. They don't build chips themselves. What they do is they design chips and then license those to other companies. We're talking about Apple, Samsung, Qualcomm, any kind of company that offers a mobile phone or tablet probably is using a ARM chip or an ARM design chip. They're increasingly trying to move into other areas. Those include things like laptops as well as servers, though that's pretty limited as far as their overall share goes. They're more focused on the mobile side of things. So, as much as we'll see them talk about low power compute, that's something they talk about when it comes to the laptops and desktop kind of thing. It really is still all about mobile phones for them. And so, this IPO is coming at almost a strange time as we're seeing this slowdown in smartphone sales across the globe. Apple warning about a slowdown. And so, and that's even going into a quarter or two where we'll start to see the impact of the newest iPhone. So we'll have to wait to see what that looks like in the coming months, just as, we potentially see people start to pick back up in purchasing those devices. But for ARM, it does come at kind of an off time for the market.